With the Globe Smart Blind Kit, turn any cord or chain from your existing blinds smart and control them manually or with the Globe Suite app. In your Smart Blind Kit box, you will find the smart device, polarized plug, mounting bracket, adhesive, mounting card, 3 chain heads, mounting accessories, and your quick start guide. Download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your device. To install the Globe Blind Kit, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pencil, and a power drill. When facing your blinds, determine whether its pull chain or rope is located on the left or the right. Before installing, ensure you have a power outlet close enough to plug in the power adapter and plan your path for the wire accordingly. Remove the back cover, exposing the rotor gear. Select and insert the appropriate chain head for your blind's pull chain or rope. Refer to the diagram to determine the correct head to use. Loop the pull chain around the mounting card knob and pull the card down until there is no more slack. Depending on your pull chain or rope position, use a pencil to mark either the left or right holes in the mounting card on the surface you are set to install the device. Remove the mounting card from the surface. Place the mounting bracket on the surface and align its holes to the marks you made. There are 2 mounting options available. This device can be mounted with adhesive or screws. For adhesive mounting, this mounting method is recommended to use on lightweight pull chains or ropes with little resistance. For a sturdier installation, use the screw mounting method. For adhesive mounting, use the included adhesive to mount the bracket after you have aligned the holes to the marks. For screw mounting, once the mounting bracket is aligned to the marks, use the included screws to hold it in position. Depending on the surface, you may need a power drill. Loop the pull chain or rope around the previously chosen chain head and close the back cover. Ensure the pull chain or rope is not tangled. Slide the device downward into the mounting bracket until you hear a click. If there is still too much slack on the pull chain or rope, continue to slide the device downward until you have achieved the desired tension. To remove the device, push the release button located on the bottom and pull the device upward and out from the mounting bracket. Plug the power adapter into the device and into an outlet. With your Smart Blind Kit powered on, it should automatically be in pairing mode and the indicator lights will be flashing rapidly. If they are not, press and hold the up and stop buttons simultaneously for 12 seconds until the indicator lights are flashing rapidly. Your Smart Blind Kit is now ready to pair. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The default scan connection method will automatically start. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Allow the scan to complete to discover your smart devices. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait a few moments for the Smart Blind Kit to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Done. You can now control your Smart Blind Kit directly from the Globe Suite app. From your list of connected devices, tap the Smart Blind Kit card to go into its controls. Click Settings in the top right corner to select the appropriate direction based on the pull chain or rope position. If it's located to the left of the blinds, set to left. If it's located to the right of the blinds, set to right. Next, set up the limits of the blinds using the buttons on the remote. Set the maximum opening position by pressing the up arrow button once. When the blinds are completely open, press the stop button once and then press and hold the stop button for 8 seconds until the light blinks. Next, press the down button. When the blinds are completely closed, press the stop button once. The limits of the blinds is now set. These limits will apply to both physical button control as well as app or virtual assistant control. To reset the device or change the limits, press and hold the up and down arrow buttons for 12 seconds until a green and blue light flashes 3 times. Once that happens, press the middle button once. You can now set new limits. From the Control tab, tap Close or Open to fully open or close the blinds. It's also possible to partly open or close your blinds using the slider, or by pressing the Stop button during operation. The physical controls on the remote work in a similar way. The Up button will raise your blinds. The Down button will lower the blinds. And the Stop button will stop the blinds. To explore automatic routines for your Smart Blind Kit, choose Routines at the bottom of your screen. The included routines are Timer, Wake Up, and Bedtime. These allow you to set automatic schedules for your Smart Blind Kit to open or close depending on the time of day or week. Trigger scenes allow you to activate actions on your devices with a single tap. To activate a trigger scene, simply tap the specific trigger scene card displayed in the Smart Scenes panel or on your Globe Suite home screen. Connect your Smart Blind Kit with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google and Amazon Alexa can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within Smart Scenes. To pair your device, go to your profile and then tap Integration, select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to, and connect your account to the Globe Suite app.